student. I am S.V. Kadam, assistant teacher in Latte Education Society, Srimati A.N. Neji High School and Junior College, Datwad. In previous video, we have seen 8th standard poem, Unit 3, 3.1, Why. Today we are going to discuss further part of this poem. First, we are going to look. First, there are some new words here. The first word is here, curious. Curious, C-U-R-I-O-U-S, curious, having a strong desire to know about something, means जिज्ञासू किंवा चौकस. Next word is here, wood. W-O-O-D, wood. Wood means the hard material of a branch of a tree. येथे अर्थ आहे लाकूड. Third word is here, sink. S-I-N-K, sink. Sink means go down below water, means पाण्यात बुडणे. Then next word is here, bellows. B-E-L-L-O-W-S, bellows. Bellows means an apparatus for blowing air, means भाता. Do you know भाता? भाता म्हणजे काय माहिती आहे का तुम्हाला? भाता लोहार वगैरे आपले लोखंड गरम करून जे हे करतात त्याची इतर वस्तू बनवतात, तो जो भाता असतो भट्टी थोडक्यामध्ये. देन नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज हियर, पॉपगन. P-O-P-G-U-N, पॉपगन मीन्स अ टॉय गन. देन नेक्स्ट वर्ड, ebb. E-B-B, ebb. Tide water moves away from the land. or receding tire or flow means ओहोटी लागणे किंवा ओसरणे. नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज हियर, गिल. G-I-L-L, गिल. गिल मीन्स द रेस्पिरेटरी ऑर्गन ऑफ फिश, म्हणजे माशांचे श्वसन इंद्रिय. नेक्स्ट वर्ड, केटल स्पाउट. K-E-T-T-L-E-S-S-P-O-U-T, kettle spout means a pipe of kettle through which tea or liquid can be poured, means किटलीची चोच किंवा तोटी. Then next word is here, core. C-O-R-E, core, the center of fruits, means फळांच्या आतील गाभा जो असतो त्याला काय म्हटलं जातं? कोर. देन लास्ट वर्ड, marrow. M-A-R-R-O-W, marrow means a soft fatty substance in the cavities of bones, means हाडातील चरबी. हाडातील. In English workshop there are some activities. Now look at the first activity in page number 57. Read the poem, discuss and complete the following blanks with proper action words. Action words means verb. First word, wood. Action word is swim. Next, marbles, sink. Stars, shine. Winds, blow. Winds, blow. Sun, sink. Flowers, die. Ocean, ebbs. Fish, we can take the action word for fish, catch or fly. Rain, falls. Ice, melt. Bees, sting. Activity number 2, discuss in pairs and write the rhyming pairs of words from the poem. Rhyming words means यमक जुळणारे शब्द. First word is here, why, by. In the first stanza, why, by. Sink, drink. Second stanza, sink and drink. Then third, sky, die, nose, flows, fly, sky, then stone and bone. Third activity, why this, why that, why then, why now, why not, why by and by. In these two lines, the word why is repeated, so it is a figure of speech called repetition. Repetition means it is a figure of speech in which one or more words are repeated in the same sentence. Example, son, it gives me a great joy. Now, find out the lines from the poem which show repetition. Activity number 4. Complete the wave diagram. The little boy wants to know why the sun sinks behind the hill, why wood should swim, why lead and marble sing, why stars should shine, why winds should blow, why we eat and drink, why clouds cross the sky, why the flowers die, why rain falls from the sky, why coal should burn, why seeds get in the apple core, why pop guns should go pop, why the ocean ebbs and flows, why fish have gills, why boys cannot fly. Then activity number 5. Complete the following blanks from the poem. Pair activity. Words from the poem related to environment. Environment means Paryavaran. Stars, stone, clouds, sky, flowers, wind. And the next, words from the poem related to animals or fruits or insects. मीन्स या ठिकाणी जे शब्द आहेत रिलेटेड वर्ड्स आहेत ॲनिमल्स, फ्रूट्स अँड इन्सेक्ट, सीड्स, ॲपल कोअर, फिश, स्पायडर्स, स्टिंग, flies. And the last activity is here word chain. Complete the word chain. Example is given here. Eat. The last word is T, tiger. Then R, run. N, nose. E, EG. First, sky, yak, kind, deer, report. Second group, cloud, duck, king, gun, naughty, wind, deep, prey, yawn. The fourth, star, ration, nation, nut. 5 group, why, ill, love, eager.